WordPress website from scratch, the ultimate DIY guide. Creating a WordPress website is easier than you think. Follow these simple steps to build your own website from scratch. Step 1. Choose a domain name and hosting. Pick a unique, memorable domain name, e.g., www.yourwebsite.com. Sign up for a reliable hosting provider, e.g., Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator. Connect your domain to your hosting account. Step 2. Install WordPress. Log into your hosting account and look for the one-click WordPress Install option. Follow the prompts to install WordPress on your domain. Step 3. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to www.yourwebsite.com/wp-admin and log in using your credentials. This is your website's control panel, where you'll manage everything. Step 4. Choose a theme. Go to Appearance, Themes and click Add New. Browse free or premium themes, then click Install and Activate. Customize your theme under Appearance, Customize. Step 5. Install essential plugins. Go to Plugins, Add New and install these must-have plugins: Yoast SEO, for search engine optimization; UpdraftPlus, for backups; Contact Form 7, for creating contact forms; WooCommerce, if you're building an online store. Step 6. Create key pages. Go to Pages, Add New to create essential pages: Home, your main landing page; About, share your story or mission; Contact, add a contact form for visitors to reach you; Blog, start publishing posts, optional. Step 7. Customize your website. Use the customizer, under Appearance, to tweak colors, fonts, and layouts. Add a logo under Site Identity. Set up your menu under Appearance and Menus. Step 8. Optimize for SEO. Use the Yoast SEO plugin to optimize your pages and posts. Add meta titles, descriptions, and focus keywords. Step 9. Test and launch. Preview your website to ensure everything looks good. Test links, forms, and mobile responsiveness. Once satisfied, remove any under construction notices and go live. Step 10. Maintain and update regularly. Update WordPress, themes, and plugins. Back up your site and monitor its performance. That's it. In just a few steps, you've built a professional WordPress website from scratch.